Sa isang panayam, ibinahagi ni Executive Director Yi na labis ang naging epekto ng pandemya para sa mga mag-aaral. Sinasabing mas lumala ang mga estudyante na pag-iiwan ng kaalaman. Sinabi pa niya na kahit grade 3 na ang isang estudyante, ay ang kaalaman nito ay nasa grade 1 pa rin.
On grades 1 to 3 pa lang, the gaps already emerge. What are we saying? In the study, they found that at grade 3, or those who progress to grade 4, many of them are 1 to 2 years behind pre-COVID. Meaning to say you're grade 3, but actually what you know is grade 1 level. But the pandemic worsened it to 3 years. Meaning to say you could be at grade 4 now, but what you know is kinder or grade 1 level. We see that in terms of progressing in the entire education system, bit-bit nila yung difficulty na ito all the way to high school.
Dagdag pa niya na ang ilang estudyante ngayon ay mahina pa rin sa literacy at numeracy.